Up, Sylvester Vanderson here, downtown San Antonio with my family, having the greatest time ever. What are you doing today? What would you like to be doing today? It's a great city. You see people are doing different things. They're having fun. They're with their family. They're living their dreams. Even if they're not living their dreams, hopefully they're living a day that's productive. Hopefully they're living a day that has some form of passion or compassion in it, has some form of reason. What reason are you getting up today? Why? Why are you doing what you do? What if you could wake up every day with purpose, with an idea or clarity on what it is that you want to accomplish, and you did it with individuals that helped you accomplish what it was you want to accomplish? We'll find out on the free webinar. Well, first of all, before you register for the webinar, check out this video next. I want to introduce you to the people who taught me about a system that I use to do this. Talk to you soon.
Welcome. What's going on, my friend? Here with Brian Hodgson out in PP Islands. We're actually out here. We were just in Phuket for a little bit. We were over in Philae Bay. We were just in Mexico before that. People ask me all the time, like, how are you able to travel around the world, not have to work a job? You're able to go out to all these different crazy locations pretty much all year round. And how are you able to do that and earn income and do that? And basically, to break it down really simply, I want to keep this very short and concise because I know a lot of you guys want to make sure that I respect your time. Basically, what we do is affiliate marketing. So basically what that is just like a car salesman. We got a buddy here on the beach with us. Welcome to Thailand. And so basically what we do is affiliate marketing. And so we market and sell products and services that people are looking to buy. Just like whether you're a car salesman or any type of salesman, then you earn a commission. The problem is that when you get into the online space, you have to build an entire sales funnel, you have to capture leads, you have to mail those leads, you have to do webinars and sales presentations. There's so many different pieces of the puzzle, which is why so many people fail. And so what we've done is we actually created a system that automates 90% of the process. And obviously in this minute-and-a-half video, we don't have enough time to explain all of that. So what we've done is we put together a live video, a live webinar where you can register and show up to, where you learn exactly how we're able to find these products and services, how we're able to place them in front of an audience that's actively looking to buy them on a daily basis, and how you can have 90% of that process automated. If you want to be able to figure out exactly how we do that and how you can go hang out and get paid to go to PP Islands or wherever you want to be able to go, register for the webinar, share this video, comment below I'm in, and put in your name and your email, and you'll get an email from us letting you know when our next live workshop is, and you're able to register, show up, see exactly how we find the offers, how we find the audiences that are looking to buy those offers, and how you have 90% of the process automated. So like this video, share it, comment below I'm in, and I'll see you on the next live webinar. Take care, my friend.